Greetings from GK as Power. Here are some interesting GK questions and answers. 1. Who was the first president of Chinese Republic? The answer is DR.SUN Yat-sen II. Who was the first foreign invader of India? The answer is Alexander the Great. 3. Who is the first person to reach South Pole? The answer is ROALD AMUNDSEN. 4. Who was the first person to reach North Pole? The answer is EDWIN PEAREY. 5. Who was the first person in space? The answer is YURI Gagarin. 6. Who was the first European to visit China? The answer is Marco Polo. 7. The first atom bomb was dropped at? The answer is Hiroshima and Nagasaki. 8. Who was the first woman cosmonaut in space? The answer is Valentina Tereshkova. 9. Who was the swimmer who crossed over the English Channel by swimming around the world? The answer is HIROSHIMA. 10. Who was the first foreigner to get Bharat Ratna in the world? The answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 11. Who was the first Indian to win the Grammy Award in the world? The answer is Pandit Ravi Shankar. 12. Who was the mountaineer who first scaled the Mount Everest 8 times in the world? The answer is Sherpa Augarita. 13. Who was the first man to compile encyclopedia? The answer is Apotheosis. 14. Who was the first Asian to win Wimbledon trophy? The answer is Arthur Ashe. 15. Which Indian was awarded Lenin Peace Prize in the world? The answer is Dr. Saifuddinkithew. 16. Who was the first bowler who made hat-trick in the Test cricket? The answer is Fred Spoffforth. 17. Who was the first Indian to win the gold medal in Olympic Games, individually? The answer is Abhinav Bindra. 18. Which was the first country to extend legal rights to apes? The answer is Spain. 19. Which was the first country to send man to the moon? The answer is the USA. 20. Who was the first person to sail around the world? The answer is Magellan. 21. Which was the first country to commence competitive examination in civil services in the world? The answer is China. 22. Who was the first person to perform heart transplantation? The answer is Dr. Christian Bernard. 23. Who was the first person to draw the map of Earth? The answer is Anaximander. 24. The world photograph was taken in which year? The answer is 1826. 25. Who was the first eldest man to climb Mount Everest? The answer is Richard Wuzes. 26. Who was the first king in world history? The answer is Sargon. 27. Renaissance started first in which country? The answer is Italy. 28. The Industrial Revolution was first took place in which country of the world? The answer is England. 29. When were the ancient Olympic Games held first? The answer is 776 BC 30. Who was the first woman to reach Antarctica? The answer is Caroline Michelson. 31. Which was the first country to abolish the slave trade of the world? The answer is Britain. 32. Which was the first country to destroy all of its chemical weapons in the world? The answer is Albania. If you like the video, please subscribe, press the bell button and select all to receive all the notifications. Also, share, like, and comment. Thanks for watching the video.